Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Git installed, a GitHub account, and Java JDK if you want local Spark execution. Clone the target repository now. That gives you a working copy to modify. Once cloned, check branches and open the README to find any project-specific setup commands. Make sure you authenticate with SSH or a personal access token so pushes succeed. This immediate work saves time later because you'll already have credentials and a runnable environment. You now configure the project, edit build files to pin Spark and Scala versions, and add necessary dependencies. Create a feature branch so you can iterate safely, then update configs like Spark submit options or memory settings. Once done, compile and run a minimal Spark job. This verifies class paths and runtime behavior. If it fails, inspect logs and adjust versions or dependencies. Make commits with clear messages, because a clean history helps reviewers understand why changes were made. You push your branch and open a pull request, explaining how you tested and why changes are safe. Configure GitHub Actions to run smoke or integration tests so merges don't break the main branch. Once reviewers approve, merge and monitor CI runs. If you deployed artifacts, tag the release. If Spark jobs fail after merge, one troubleshooting tip: reproduce the job locally with identical Spark submit options and check executor logs for class path or version mismatches. This isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.